this video, you will learn how to use the shell command to create a thin-walled solid body by hollowing out its interior. In the design workspace, the shell command removes material from the interior of a solid body, creating a hollow cavity with walls of a specified thickness. Let's apply an inside shell to remove unwanted material from this body. Go ahead and open up the shell command from the Modify drop-down to bring up the shell dialog. Fusion 360 is instantly asking you to select faces or body to apply the shell to. If we select the whole body, the shell command creates a hollow cavity inside the design. Let's select the body for now. Once the body is selected, you can create the shell by dragging the handle or entering a specific value. Let's enter the value. Make sure the direction is set to inside, which will hollow out the body and apply the wall thickness on the inside of the exterior faces. The outside option will apply the wall thickness around the exterior faces of the body, while still hollowing out the interior. The both option applies the wall thickness in both directions, allowing for the thickness to be specified in each direction. Also notice the tangent chain option. With this option enabled, Fusion 360 simultaneously selects multiple faces that are tangent to one another. Click OK to finish the shell command. As the hollow cavity was created inside the body, it's not visible, but we can use the section analysis command to check it. Select the section analysis command from the Inspect drop-down. Select the bottom face of the body and drag the manipulator to see the hollow cavity inside the body. Click Cancel to close the section analysis dialog. For this specific design, we need a different kind of shell. We need to select the Faces option as we need to hollow the body and also remove the face. As the shell feature is captured in the timeline, we can double-click it to start editing it. The shell dialog displays. Let's change the selection from the bodies to faces. Deselect the body and select the bottom face of the body. Once the face is selected, you can create the shell by dragging the handle or entering a specific value. Let's keep the value we entered earlier, make sure the direction is set to inside, and click OK to finish the shell command. This time the shell command removed all the unwanted material, including the bottom face. Now you know how to use the basic features in the shell command. Thanks for watching.